Get ready for a June collision course. Now that the Eastern and Western Conference Finals are both set, we are ready to look forward to what should be a rubber match in the NBA Finals. It's going to be the Cavs out of the Eastern Conference. They will take down the Boston Celtics, who had a nice run to get where they've gotten to, #1 seed in the Eastern Conference. They will have home court advantage over the Cavs, but it won't matter. And in the Western Conference, with Kawhi Leonard hurt and with the Warriors coming back in an amazing Game 1 effort, they have an advantage. They're the better team. They're going to roll in this series, and then the real basketball will start when we get to the NBA Finals. The prediction here is a prediction I've had really since last June when LeBron James and the Cavaliers came back and took the championship from the Warriors. We're getting a rematch. We're getting the third installment of what's become a great NBA championship rivalry with the Cavaliers and LeBron James, with Steph Curry, Draymond Green, Klay Thompson, and Kevin Durant now as part of the Warriors. In a couple weeks, the finals will begin. It will be the Cavaliers on one side. It will be the Warriors on the other. And the entire NBA world will be watching.